Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you now how to change your name on NIN and all the document requirements for changing of name on NIN without visiting NIMC office. You're going to see every step you need to take online and how you can get it done successful. So let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your browser. So in this tutorial, I'm using Chrome browser as an example. So I'm going to open my Chrome browser right here. After you open up your browser, next thing you need to do is to click on this plus sign right here just to create a new tab. The next thing you need to do is to come to search and type in nimc.gov.ng. Hit enter. Then it's going to take you to the official web page of NIMC. Next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on this three slider. Go ahead and click on our services. So go ahead and click on self-service modifications. Then you are here. Click on more in this file. Scroll down right here and go ahead and select change of name and requirements right here. Documents required for change of names and modifications. Click on that. Then it will take you to the right information that you need for documents as far as change of name modification is concerned. The 41st item you need here is court affidavit, newspaper extract, marriage certificate in the case of marital status. Lastly, other government ID, which can be your voter's card, international passport, or any valid other government ID card available for you. So those are the 4 documents you need for change of name on your NIMC without visiting their office. Once you have all these documents right here, what you need to do is to go ahead and visit this particular website right here. Visit this particular website right here, self-service modification.nimc.gov.ng. You can see the URL right here. So what you need to do is to click on the URL right here. Then it will open in a new page. So once you get here, then you'll be asked to create a free account if you do not have an account with NIMC before. For that, what you need to do is to click on register right here. Then you will need to register with your last name, first name, middle name, and the phone number. Remember, the detail you will enter right here need to match with your current NIN. Once you enter the detail, click on next. Then here, we have successfully created an account. After you create an account, then you can start the application for change of name in your NIMC. However, this service includes a charges. And for you to know the amount you are paying, so I'm going to go ahead and go back to the center website right here. So from the site web page right here, scroll down until you get to the last bottom right here. Until you get to the last bottom right here, then go ahead and click on here. Then go ahead and click on fees. Then you have the details and the fee about whatever modification you want to do right here. You can download the full list of fee right here, and then you know the amount you are paying for change of name on your NIMC. So just follow this procedure right here. Create an account with NIMC Self-Service Center. After creating an account, start your application, and once you get to a payment, you'll be asked to make payment with remitter to a government account. You can read the detail right here. You can see remitter payment. It's that simple. Once you make the payment, submit your application for a review, and once the NIMC review the application, then your name will be changed from your NIMC without any stress. It's that simple. If you still have any question for me as far as this simple guide is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.